What's up, guys? B-Rob here, and today I'm going to review this FlapJacked soft baked cookie bar. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back with another product to review for you today, and before I go any further, I just got a little disclaimer for you. So my review of this product is not a recommendation for you to run out and go use it. It's just me sharing my personal experience, and it's for your information only. My recommendation is for you to strive to eat as natural and as healthy as you possibly can. But if you decide to use supplements, please consult with your doctor first and follow all the directions on the label. And so now I got that out of the way. I want to get into this protein bar. So this is one of those reviews where I have not tried this before. So this bar, I actually had bought it a while ago for me to review for you. And I'm just now kind of getting around to it. So I had some other things that I thought maybe you wanted to see better. But here it is nonetheless. And so I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this for you. I'm going to taste it for the first time here on camera. So I actually saved one of the, I try to give you 3 of the best qualities and 3 of the worst qualities of a product. So I actually saved one of those spots so I can add this to it. So we'll see what it tastes like. But what was I looking for when I saw this supplement? So I wanted something else to review for you. So that's what I was looking for. I was actually looking for like a bar because I hadn't reviewed a bar in a while. So I was looking for a protein cookie bar to have. And I actually have a few that'll be coming here over the next couple of months that I want to review for you. So look out for those. What attracted me to this supplement? For this one right here is the packaging. I thought it was really cool, this packaging here. Thought it was really good packaging. I liked it. And this is the chocolate peanut butter one. And so I'm really not a big fan of chocolate, just like more chocolate cookies, like so to speak. But I've decided to go ahead and try, and let's see where it goes. How much did I pay for this? I can't fully remember, so I apologize. Normally I catch a video of me buying it. Don't know why I don't have that video, but I think it was more around like $2.99. I think I bought it at Vitamin Shop. So I apologize for not knowing exactly where I bought it. But anyways, that's just the truth of the matter. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate this product. See, so this is what it looks like. Look at that. Kind of looks like Mr. Hanky, But anyways, here it is. I'm gonna try it for the first time. Kind of nervous about this. So this one is, it tastes a lot like dark chocolate. So you can definitely tell it's dark chocolate. I do taste some of the peanut butter. And then it kind of has it almost has like a, kind of like a bitter or an artificial aftertaste. So that is coming from the stevia here, I believe. But I mean, as my mouth is getting used to it, it's not so bad. So what are the 3 best qualities of it? I would say 3 best qualities are that it's got probiotics and prebiotics. These right here. So if you guys, this is so helpful for your gut health, having good pro and prebiotics to keep things going down there. And so, as you guys probably heard, if you haven't heard, your gut is like your second brain. So it's super important to take care of your gut and have good gut health. So pro and prebiotics is a good thing. Make sure you have the healthy bacteria in there, okay? So that's a quality. That's a good quality I'm listing here. Another one is it has a really good carb to protein ratio. So it has 10 grams of protein, but it has 25 carbs. And so so the focus for me is, of course, muscle building, right? So for muscle building, that ratio is pretty good. And I do have a negative about that, and I'll get into it here in the negatives. So, but it has a good carb and protein ratio, 10 proteins and 25 grams carbs. My third good thing is that it's gluten-free. And so for all you guys and gals that are gluten-free out there, this is another option for you to have, is a gluten-free cookie bar. And so I think it's really good that these makers are starting to make things a little more gluten-free to cover more, some more people. And it's got a lot of organic things in it. It's got organic peanut butter and just a lot of organic ingredients. That's what it's listing right there. So that's a good thing. What are 3 downsides of the supplement? So number 1 is that it only has 10 grams of protein. So that's the thing that I would tell you in the negatives. It only has 10 grams of protein. For me, I kind of like, 25 grams of protein. I kind of like that per meal. But the way that you could eat this if you were me and looking to get 25 grams of protein is you can have this with someone else, with something else, or maybe have it like, as part of your lunch, or maybe have it as like a dessert or something like that. So, this could be an additive, but it does have 215 calories in it. So if you're watching your calories, but if you're building muscle and you need to get the calories in, this is a good thing for that too. So depending on where you fall on that spectrum may be what you decide to do with it, because 215 calories right there, you see that. So number 2 downside is that these are hard to find. So I did another search. I bought this a while ago, but I did another search to try to see if I could tell you what the most recent prices are, and they're out of stock. So if you go to the FlapJacked website, they actually have some other products on there. The cookie bars are out of stock, but you might see it somewhere. I mean, I did buy this one somewhere. I'm holding it right here, so I had to have gotten it, right? So I think they exist. It's just that I couldn't really find any recent prices because I wanted to give you that information. So this review is in case you get your hands on some, then at least you know how I feel about it, and you've seen a review on it. So I just at least wanted to get you that. So hard to find. And number 3 downside is I want to say it's not the best tasting cookie bar. So it's not the worst tasting, but it's not the best tasting. I am going to finish this because it's not that bad. But, for me, it's got probiotics, gluten-free. It might be one of those things that I would definitely, maybe I'll be in a taste for down the road. So, but it's not one of the better tasting ones. But when you look at all the ingredients, organic peanut butter, prebiotics, organic date paste, vegetable. It's got like organic oats and whey protein crisp. And so, it's got like a lot of healthy stuff, proposed stuff in it. So, it's sometimes there's a trade-off, right? So, how did this impact my workout? This is my first time trying it on camera with you, so I haven't worked out with it, so I'm gonna have to do a big NA, not applicable, that question. But how this would affect a workout is part of your nutrition part to fuel your workout, right, and fuel your muscle growth. Again, it has good protein and to carb ratio, so for that, again, I like a little more protein, of course. So how do I rate this product from a scale of 1 to 10? I rate this one a 6. So I give it a 6. It's not horrible. It's better than average, like the median. I think it's better. I give it a 6. I think taste could be the stevia kind of kills it for me a little bit, but it's not horrible. I'm gonna finish this once I finish this video for you guys. How can you use this product? If you were to use this product and you're like gluten-free and you really want to get your prebiotics and probiotics in, and you want to eat a little more on the organic side and something that looks like it has cleaner, but you still wanted something like a dessert, this will be good for you. It's got 215 calories, but if this is up against like a dessert, like a Snickers bar or some sort of equivalent from the dessert side, then this would win out if you're trying to get your probiotics and get it's got low sugars. It's got a total of 8 grams of sugar, so it's got low sugars, only 3 added sugars. So, it's good for that, right? So that's how you could use it. And again, I like a little more protein, but if you're one, and it doesn't have sugar alcohol, so that's a good thing because a lot of these bars have sugar alcohol, and that is not so good for the belly sometimes. I think some of you guys probably know that. But anyways, hopefully this review helped you. Go check me out if you want to follow me on social media at thisisb_Rob. And if you want to drop me a hello on social media, DM me or whatever, I will respond to you. So thank you guys I know some of you have shown up over there and asked some questions and things like that. I really appreciate that. Also, go check out my website, thisisbrob.com, and take a look around there, get to know me a little bit better. But also, one more thing that I want to ask you to do is to please like, share, subscribe, and comment. I guess that's 3 things. But thank you for tuning in. This is B-Rob.